Welcome back. In today's video we're diving into Google Colab, a free and easy to use environment for data science and machine learning provided by Google. So what exactly is Google Colab? It's a cloud-based Python environment with powerful resources like GPU and TPUs, which means you can run data science or machine learning projects without needing a powerful computer. Especially if you're dealing with large datasets or complex machine learning models, Google Colabs give you access to all that computing power for free. First, head over to Google Drive, right-click, go to More, and select Google Colab Notebook. This opens up a Python notebook, similar to Jupyter Notebook, but it's running entirely in the cloud, so your code will be processed on Google's hardware, not your local machine. Once you're in the notebook, you can start running basic Python code right away. For example, let's start with a classic print hello world. You'll notice that it says allocating and connecting. That's Google's hardware setting up the resources for you. The best part, many popular libraries like NumPy Pandas and Matplotlib are pre-installed. Let me show you. Type import numpy as np and you can run any NumPy code without installing it. Here's a quick example creating an array of random numbers. Need something that's not pre-installed? No problem. Simply use a terminal command in the notebook to install any library. For example, pip install neural intents runs like a terminal command right inside your notebook. One of the biggest advantages of Google is the ability to use GPUs and TPUs. To enable this, go to Runtime, select Change Runtime Type, and choose either GPU or TPU. But a quick tip, don't use these accelerators unless you really need them. They're shared resources, so they can sometimes be unavailable. Speaking of availability, a common challenge people face is trying to allocate a TPU and getting an error message. If that happens, it just means TPUs are not available at this moment. You can always switch back to CPU or GPU. You can also upload files in this menu or connect directly to Google Drive. Simply use the following code to mount your Google Drive. This is super helpful for accessing datasets or saving results. Google Colab is a game changer for anyone interested in machine learning and data science, but doesn't have a high-performance computer. It's powerful, accessible and free to use, making it ideal for students, researchers and developers. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.